In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change password on Steam account. By the end, you will know exactly where to click, how to verify your identity, and how to choose a stronger password so your account stays secure. First, open the Steam app on your computer and make sure you are signed in. At the very top left corner of the window, click the Steam menu. From there, choose Settings. If you are on a Mac, this same option is called Preferences. This is where Steam keeps all the controls related to your account and app behavior. So it's the right place to start. Inside Settings, look for the Security section. Click Security, then select Change Password. This takes you into Steam's guided flow for updating your password safely. You'll see prompts that walk you through verification and then let you set a new password. Next, Steam will ask how you want to receive a verification code. You can choose your associated email or your linked phone. Pick the method you have access to right now. If you go with email, keep an eye on your inbox and your spam or junk folder just in case it lands there. If you select phone, make sure you have a stable signal and that notifications aren't silenced so you don't miss the message. When the message arrives, enter the 5-character code exactly as shown. Be mindful of similar-looking characters and note that these codes can expire after a short time for security. If the code doesn't work, request a new one and try again. Once Steam accepts the code, you'll move on to creating your new password. Now it's time to set a new secure password. Choose something long, unique to Steam, and hard to guess. A strong password typically mixes upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, and avoids common words or personal details. Consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store it, which helps you avoid reusing passwords across different services. Type your new password carefully in both fields, making sure they match. If T here is a show or hide option, use it to confirm there aren't any typos. Then save or confirm to finalize the change. After you update it, Steam may sign you out on other devices for safety. That's normal. Just sign back in with your new password wherever you use Steam and that's it. Your password is changed and your account is more secure. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.